This is Google Pixel Watch 3, and today I'll show how you can take a screenshot on this smartwatch. So first, we'll need to make sure that the screenshot option or the screenshot gesture is enabled. So wake your watch up and launch settings either through the list of controls or the app view. Next, enter the gestures category, scroll all the way to the bottom, and here, enable the screenshot toggle. Now, once the feature is enabled, you can capture a screenshot by simultaneously pressing the side and crown buttons, just like that. Let me do it this way instead. As you can see, the screenshot gets taken. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.